one example of a positive project that we're working on is the Atelier De La Nature. What that is a little over 3 years ago, we bought agricultural land in South Louisiana. Here it was soy fields. So what we did is my wife and our 2 little children, we bought this land, we took out the soy, and we've been returning it to a natural habitat to create an eco-campus and a nature reserve. So here what we've done is we've planted prairie grasses, which then help create habitat for birds and reptiles and amphibians, but also importantly help to sequester carbon. And then we planted over 1,000 baby trees, and we're putting in a large wood duck lake at the back to create habitat for native turtles and fishes. Then we have these community outreach events and festivals where we invite all kinds of people to come in and share what they know about the nature and biodiversity of this area, but also to celebrate the way that the culture is so unique here in South Louisiana with music and food, and how that's directly tied into the landscape and the ecosystems. So my argument is, if 2 crazy artists from New York City can move to South Louisiana and make a nature reserve, anybody can. So I invite you all to do the same thing, make a nature reserve in your backyard or your rooftop, make a positive difference in your community, both your community of human beings, but also the biodiversity around you. And I invite you all to come visit us at the Atelier De La Nature.